Turtle Splash by Cathryn Falwell. Turtle Splash. Ten timid turtles lounging in a line, startled by a bullfrog. Then there are nine. Nine napping turtles. The day is growing late. A rabbit rustles in the leaves. Now there are eight. Eight lazy turtles reading without care. A red squirrel scampers by the log. Seven still are there. Seven sleepy turtles hear the crunch of sticks. Deer appear beside the shore. Now there are six. Six sunning turtles watching ducklings dive. The mother mallard quacks at them. Then there are five. Five idle turtles lolling by the shore. Pollywogs swirl by their log. Now there are four. Four drowsy turtles, quiet as can be. A butterfly flutters by, leaving only three. Three carefree turtles beneath a sky so blue. A chickadee chirps in the tree. Then there are two. Two silent turtles watching the setting sun. Mosquitoes buzz above their heads. Now there's only one. One lowly turtle in the fading light. Splash! 10 tired turtles settle for the night. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sleep tight.